If you're concerned that recording devices may be secretly installed in your home, there are several effective methods to detect them. Start by listening for faint buzzing or clicking sounds in quiet areas, particularly late at night, to spot hidden cameras or microphones. Examine smoke detectors and other electronics for any tampering, as these devices can conceal surveillance equipment. Look for suspicious decorations that seem out of place, as they could be hiding cameras or microphones. Also, check for peculiar or unfamiliar wires that don't lead anywhere, indicating potential surveillance. You can create a simple hidden camera detector using a toilet paper tube and a flashlight to spot glimmers from lenses. Don't forget to inspect your vehicle, especially around light fixtures and the battery, for hidden devices. For two-way mirrors, shine a flashlight on them and tap to determine their type. Finally, consider using an RF detector to sweep for radio frequencies from hidden devices.